back on Decker. It's supposed to be a pretty nice day out. Wind should be up, gusting at 20. It's probably gonna be sustained about 15. Forgot my battery from my depth finder, so no longer here. We'll call it the Stealth fish finder. So let me see, let me check the temperature. Yeah, we're gonna say it's about 66 degrees. Yeah, see, look, 66 degrees, it says it right here. And the weather right now outside is probably about, you know, close to 68 degrees. Back out here with Greg, like always, and we always usually fish together. So yeah, should be a good day. Just saw a nice bass jump right there, so that's really encouraging. So we're gonna go ahead and get at it. Start at that corner, and we're gonna do the loop around, which I should post it on, get a map and show you what I mean by the loop. Nah, let's get to it. What? Should be in the hydrilla. There's one, got him. Oh, there we go. Oh, where's my net? Where's my net? Right in that hydrilla. Come on, boy, get up here. Nope, don't go that way. He's feisty. Oh man, that didn't take long. Now he's pretty decent. Let's get him in here. Give him a chance to get rid. Here we go. Nice. Alrighty. It's worth the move. Check this guy out. Pretty. Took it pretty good in there. But I love these colors. Look at that. Look at these colors. I'll go some dark. Fades out. All the way down to the whites. Pretty bass. Let's get that hook out. Yeah, he wasn't hooked that good in there. So yeah, he's probably about 16. Yeah, right at 16. Alright, buddy. You're a female. Alrighty. Alright, lady. Go make some babies. That's awesome. Right off the beds up here. So yeah. So I probably should introduce my fly I'm using. And do that in the beginning. So here we go. We caught her on a this one tied. Here we go. So let's get to it. It's a good one. One way you can tell it's really windy out there and probably a white capping. You can see it is, see these bubbles right here? You can see them right here, and they make these lines. So that definitely tells you it's rough out there. And you can see the more lines and the tighter they are, the more windy it is on the water. For one, you know, you can feel it and you can hear it. But yeah, that's how we know it's gonna be sporty crossing. But for catch now, I'm cool with that. All right, let's get back to this fishing. See, it is white capping out there pretty good. I trust the kayak, I've done it before. So if I just got it, I'd be a little wary. But I totally have trust and confidence in this and my ability out here. And my kayak, it's here, but I need to head toward it. And if I need to tack, you always want to go toward the waves and you can go with it. You don't want to go sideways and your kayak's really going to do this. So go toward the wave and tack if you have to and go over. That's what you want to do, and that makes it easier and it's not so tippy. So let's get to it, guys. So up in the tree, I don't know how well we can see it, but there's an osprey right there. You know the fish, it's almost half his size. So he had some good fishing today. This wind. Pretty happy with himself. I don't want to get going, I don't want to disturb him too much. But yeah, he's eating away. So let's get going here. Me and Grace getting out of here. We're gonna cross. The wind's died down compared to what it was. We still got some whitecaps, but it's not so bad. So as I was moving, I saw some bass jump right here. Looked like it. So we're gonna go ahead and wind this up a little bit. That keeps it from coming out. I do got line right here. So I gotta watch how I strip it in. Well, we're gonna see if we could get across our friendly bass right here. Right inside Drilla. Maybe we'll get lucky. So I get some line out. There it is. Got him. Look at that. Got sand. Top water. Nice. Come on, buddy. Mine. Nice. I like it. We're out my top water. There he is. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Look at that. Nice. Alright, buddy. I know. I got you. Nice. Looks about a 15-inch. Nice. I love bass. Fight hard. You're not gonna wear them out. And look at, they're just so pretty. You see how these colors just roll. Alrighty. Buried that hook. Yeah. Really gonna hold that one. Go ahead and get that out of here. Man, really hit that. Yeah, you did a good job hitting that line. Yeah. There we go. Hit it pretty good. See, you have any buddies over there. Oh, that's absolutely gorgeous. Alrighty. Thank you. Alrighty. It's nice. Let's see if there's any birds hanging around here. Oh, yeah, got that on the didn't make a lunch today, but I brought my little sausage viz, you know, they're from Costco, and they're fairly good. And then I got my Doritos, you know, Cool Ranch, and I got my other Costco Vita Water down there. These are all my non-sponsors. So let's get to it. Have a little bit of snacky lunch. We'll get back to fishing here. So just in case I didn't get it, okay, the weather was absolutely gorgeous. It's a little windy, like now. Really slow. Got that one right off the bat, and then spotted the other one. She jumped, and I went straight for it with a top water and got her. And that was about it. Oh no, oh, still better than being at home. Ton of exercise, and the wind did calm down a little bit, so it's not too bad, Captain, like it was earlier. So time to call it a day, and y'all get on the water. Just thinking about it, looks like the biggest fish for today went to the osprey. almost half his size. He wins today, hands down. Way to go, buddy. Alright, we're done. That's fun.